So, hello guys, welcome back to another video of Xbox. So, first of all, please like and subscribe my channel. So, today our topic is how to redeem Xbox, redeem code in Xbox application. So, first of all, please log in your Xbox application, then click on the profile icon on top left corner. Then click on settings on top right corner. As you can see here, redeem code option. On that will take some time to load. After loading, you can enter your redeem code. You cannot enter expire, or if it's not region specific, so some codes will not work if it's region specific. So this is how you can redeem your code. You need to click on next and verify your details. So this is how you can redeem your code. So please like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So bye.